Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to access and use Grok on Twitter X. Are you ready to enhance your experience on Twitter, now known as X? Today, we're diving into how you can unlock the potential of Grok, a feature that offers unique functionalities to boost your interaction levels and enrich your time on the platform. Whether you're looking to engage more dynamically with your followers or simply want to explore new ways to manage conversations, Grok is here to elevate your social media journey. Let's break it down and get you started. To begin, you'll want to fire up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you like to use. Once your browser is open, navigate to Google. In the search bar, which is typically found at the top of the page, you're going to type a simple letter X. This might seem a bit unusual, but it's your first step towards discovering the new identity of Twitter as X. Once you hit enter, you'll be presented with a slew of search results. What you're looking for is the official website link for X, which could be titled simply as X or something closely related. It's important not to get sidetracked by the plethora of links you might see. Focus on finding the one that directly takes you to Twitter's newly branded interface. Clicking this link will lead you straight to the homepage of X. Now, once you've landed on the X homepage, it's time to keep your eyes peeled for the Grok icon. This icon is usually located on the main navigation page, easily accessible from the homepage. Clicking on it will guide you into the Grok interface. This is where the fun begins. Grok opens up a vibrant world of prompts and conversations that you can interact with. When you arrive at the Grok interface, it's your chance to get imaginative. Here, you can craft a prompt, which is your gateway to engaging with the ongoing conversations on the Grok platform. Take a moment to think about the kind of interaction or information you're aiming to receive. A well-thought-out and specific prompt can lead to more meaningful and insightful responses or interactions. Don't rush this part. The quality of your prompt often dictates the quality of the interaction you'll experience. After you've carefully crafted your prompt, the next step is to submit it. Look for a Submit or Send button, typically located below the text entry field. By clicking this button, you're sending your prompt into the Grok conversational space. Here it will be processed, and before you know it, you'll start receiving feedback or a continuation of the conversation you initiated. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to make the most of Grok on X. This tool is designed to enrich your conversational experience on X, providing you with a more dynamic and interactive platform. Next time you log into X, remember to engage with Grok and explore all the opportunities it offers. You'll find a diverse array of discussions and themes to keep you engaged and informed. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to access and use Grok on Twitter X. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.